first, just to go back, so you said you're from
I got
Venezuela, you grew up in Colombia. I know how Colombia is, and well, it's a lot better than it was back then because
right.
my dad is from Colombia as well. So I've been to Colombia back then.
Yeah.
And I just want to know, what were you like as a small kid growing up there?
You know what? I always, I'll tell you, I'm not book smart, and I never gonna claim to be book smart. But something that I learned from young age is that I need to be around people that are smarter than me. I will always have questions, always have that entrepreneurial mentality. And at age 11, I mean, I compared to my kids right now to what I was before. I'm like, that's nothing. I remember that I would go and pay the house bills. Like my dad had to go to work, and I had to actually take money, put it in my pocket, take the bus, go to the center of the city, like almost an hour away, to go pay the bills. There was no internet, there was no paying over the phone. You had to go in person to pay the water bill, to pay the electricity bill. So since a young age, I don't know, something in me just flipped. I know that I need to be someone. I need to work on something. And again, I know what I wanted. I just didn't know how to get there, and that's what took a while. How the
Gotcha.
how to and how to get there.
Gotcha.